to make something appear or disappear. This is in fact the most practical example of this thing. I'll show you in a bit. So let's say the zombie is like a very expensive and very heavy file on the GPU, and we are, once we enter this grass, or let's say, let me make it very huge. You can use any object. I'm just showing you, a very simple process. I'll bring back this wall again, right? This time something like this, and I don't want to use it as a collider. I want this wall to appear. Maybe change the color to something interesting. So now I don't want the zombie to appear until I cross this particular area, right? So for that, we need to use a very special technique here. Not special, very easy technique, which is spawning hide and show. So we want the zombie to appear on some event and hide on particular event. So when I put any event in appear on, the zombie will only appear when that particular event is triggered. So I'll just name it like show zombie, and I will write it hide zombie, and we will trigger this event the moment character collide with this particular area. So I will replace this event. So I will delete the text, and it's gonna show me again the list. Then on enter, it should show me the zombie. On hide, hide zombie. On leave, okay. So games usually do these tricks to save the performance and make sure there are limited objects into the scene. So as a normal player, you won't see the magic. But let's say, since we don't have the other side of the wall, the zombie is not present over here. So the moment I enter this stage, you can see the zombie appears. And the moment I leave it, the zombie will disappear. But when you make the game, make sure the things are not there, or like in this case where the other side is also blocked. Assume the other side is also blocked. Now I'm going, I will always see the zombie standing over here. But actually when I'm here, the zombie is not there, right? So that's how you can add several different objects. Maybe inside the room you can have something, and you can hide and show objects from that side, like from outside when you are inside a particular game. Or you can have different levels, when the user cross a particular area, then only those objects appear. So you can do ton of different things. Also you can make something appear when a condition is met, like when I'll show you when I'll go to the logic section. But yeah, that's how you make things appear and disappear in Zimension. It's super simple. So right now we are triggering with this events like appear, disappear. Even this also works with jumping, right? So that's how the collide and hide and spawn event works.